Stolen vehicle in the way. That's mile, Central Mile.
371, just going past the hospital, vehicles in the right lane. Right lane, turning right onto Barney Moy Road. Left into the Skoo, left into Skoo.
Yeah, get through to Nicholson Way. Pick out any units for you. Head down Nicholson Way, thanks. Nicholson Way, Minor Boulevard area, Nicholson Way. Oh, yes.
Didn't he say he got two left tires? Doesn't look like it.
Thanks for ready.
5 will be down there.
Thanks 405.
320, we're heading that way.
Yeah, received. Speed.
Mate, slowing down to 80 now. We're now turned right and we're heading back out towards Nicholson Way.
All units, vehicles heading out towards Nicholson Way. Speed. He's turning around.
Yep, he's turned left back towards the hospital. 371, we got delamination of the front left tyre.
420 metres towards Kawana Way. Thanks 420.
Quick, 420's taking it.
160 picked up. Be advised we have an unmarked police vehicle and near the primary unit. Received. Put the call sign unmarked vehicle now and shoot.
Front tyre's going to come off.
Yep. Yeah, it's 510 on one alto, so a bit hard to call and drive.
Yep, 371, he's gone up over the roundabout here in Kawana Way. Front left tyre's off. Front left tyre's off. Get on the ground! On the ground! Get on the ground! Stay there, do not move! You understand? You're under arrest, mate?
Yeah, I got that. Can you just go on one, just please, my